This video will show you how to replace the oil pressure switch on a Toyota Matrix. This will be located along the front of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your engine oil pressure switch, located down next to your engine oil filter. Now this can easily be accessed from up along the top or from under the vehicle, whichever way is easiest for you. Now we have an electrical connector. For that electrical connector, you just want to find the locking tab, squeeze it in, and pull this out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion and we'll set that aside. That looks pretty good. Can set that aside. Now continuing on, to remove this, we're going to carefully use a 24mm to turn this counterclockwise. Keep in mind there could be oil in this area. Make sure you have a collection receptacle under here to collect and recycle any oil properly. There it is, friend. We'll just make sure we clean down the area here. We don't want any miscellaneous debris making its way to the engine, and it's time to install our brand new oil pressure switch. Now to tighten this, I'm just using a stubby 3/8 ratchet. We want to make sure it's snug, but we don't want to over tighten anything and strip it out. Now we can continue on with our electrical connector. Just line up our locking tab, press it in, listen for an audible click, give it a tug to make sure it's secure. Now you want to make sure you clean up any mess in this area, and we'll double check for engine oil leaks. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is make sure you clean down the area. We're going to start the vehicle, let it run, double check for leaks. After that, just go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.